When working in Excel, you might often find yourself repeating the same formatting steps manually again and again. This can be time-consuming and inefficient, especially if you work with large spreadsheets or perform similar formatting tasks regularly. Fortunately, Excel 365 offers a helpful feature to address this problem. It's called a macro. A macro in Excel allows you to record a sequence of actions, such as formatting cells, applying borders, adjusting column widths, or setting specific number formats. Once recorded, Excel can automatically repeat all these steps for you with a single command. This helps you save time and reduce the risk of human error by eliminating the need to redo the same actions manually every time. The macro feature in Excel is located under the View tab, where you'll find the Macros group. From there, you can access the recording option to begin capturing your formatting steps. After you stop recording, the macro becomes available for reuse whenever needed. This built-in automation tool is particularly useful for tasks that are repetitive and need to be standardized across multiple sheets or workbooks. Instead of going through each step every time, using a macro allows you to apply your preferred format consistently with just one click. Understanding how macros work in Excel 365 is essential for improving efficiency in your daily work. This overview helps clarify what a macro is and how it can automate manual formatting in Excel. By using macros wisely, you can significantly streamline your spreadsheet tasks and work more effectively.